So the other day, a student in my Get Clients Now program, she made a little post to our community and she said something like, I'm really struggling to find clients with Facebook groups. I don't really think they work anymore. Groups don't really allow promo. I don't think this Facebook group strategy works anymore. And it really got me thinking. So over the last 2 years, we've done over $2 million in revenue, and 50% of that has come from free Facebook groups. So do the math on that. We've done over $1 million from free Facebook groups. In other words, Facebook groups are still an insane goldmine, but most people don't know how to use them. I want you to take a look at how many comments, how many leads, how many clients these posts are generating, and recognize and realize that this is something we do literally every single week. So anyways, I replied back to that student's comment. I left some feedback on her post. And afterwards, it was really getting me thinking about why don't Facebook groups work for so many people? You know, essentially, what it comes down to is 95% of people don't use Facebook groups the right way, which means 5% of people are making all the money from Facebook groups. So 5% of people are wandering around collecting all the revenue from Facebook groups. I want you to be part of that 5%, which is why I'm making this video showing you how to actually use Facebook groups in a way that works. And what we're gonna be doing here today is I'm just gonna be going over some common misconceptions that a lot of people have around marketing with Facebook groups, and we're gonna bust those misconceptions one at a time. Okay, so here's the deal. Here's the first misconception that I hear all the time. And it's there aren't Facebook groups that allow promo, or Facebook groups aren't allowing promo anymore, or there aren't Facebook groups for my industry. And those are all just simply not true. But here's what happens, right? Most people, they'll spend 30 minutes looking for a Facebook group. They'll find an okay one or two okay ones, try a little posting here and there, and then when it doesn't immediately work, they think it doesn't work, they think groups don't work, they think the strategy doesn't work, and they quit. Actually, it can take 2 hours, 3 hours to find one goldmine Facebook group. But then when you do, that's how you get all the money. I've actually created a list of 200, actually over 200 Facebook groups that you can use to promote your business in, and it's this resource that I give to my Get Clients Now students. So that saves them some time. But what you need to understand is that you need to go searching a little bit. You need to go digging for those goldmine groups. It might take you some time, but just because you can't find it right away doesn't mean they don't exist. So another big common misconception is that just Facebook groups don't work anymore. It's 2021, that strategy just doesn't work. Maybe it used to work, Maria, back when you were in business 9 years ago. I'm sure it was really easy. And in some ways it was, but in some ways it was a lot harder. You know, people forget that when I started my business, there were no promos allowed in groups. People didn't promo in groups the way we do right now at all. So the only way you could get clients from Facebook groups was through networking and relationship building. And in another video that I've done on YouTube before, I've gone in very, very specifically on how to utilize that tactic to get clients from Facebook groups. But what I want to do here in this video is just disillusion or just bust through the misconception that Facebook group strategy doesn't work. What happens is most people's copy sucks. I'm just gonna say it. Most people's copy does not work the first time around. So they're writing their content, they're making their posts, and then it doesn't work right away. So they think the strategy doesn't work. But I've reviewed literally thousands of students' posts before, and 99.99% of the time, it's not the group, it's the copy, which is actually really cool because that means that your opportunity for getting clients just dramatically increased. If it's not the groups and you can actually get, make a ton of money from groups, AKA, like I said at the beginning of the video, we've done over $1 million in the last 2 years just from free Facebook groups. So your potential income just got dramatically bigger, but some of the work got put back on you. What our students find is that typically you'll have to try 13, 14, 15 different post variations until you find the one that works. Most people aren't willing to try something 15 times in order to get it right, which is why 95% of people don't see results from Facebook groups and 5% do. If you're watching this and you're a Get Clients Now student, just know that you can always post your posts to Facebook groups. You can post them to our, GCN Facebook group community for the community to review. So you can get other people's eyes on it and get feedback on it right then and there. If you're not a member of the Get Clients Now students, you should check that out. More on that later. But also just really understand that the marketplace is going to talk to you with your copy. If you're getting crickets, it's not the strategy that's not working, it's your copy. So the third and final misconception is that it's not a good, trying to get clients in Facebook groups is not a good long-term strategy, or it's not a really effective strategy. Maybe, people think, oh, Instagram's better, or podcasting is better, or whatever it might be. And you do have to do what works for you. So I'm a big fan that, if you don't like Facebook groups, that's fine. You don't have to do it, but don't be delusional and think it's not a good way to make money. It's a very good way to make money. It's a very great long-term strategy. It's a very effective strategy. It's okay if it's not for you, but those are two different things. We've been doing it for years now. We have two team members who post 3 times a day. So do the math on that, right? We have 2 team members. They each post 3 times a day, which is very manageable. 3 times a day. I was doing that when it was just me, myself, and I. They post 2 times a day, 5 days a week, and we get obviously like 50% of our revenue comes from there. So a minimum of like $60,000, $70,000 per month from Facebook groups. And that's just at a minimum, right? I'm very conservative throwing out income numbers. That's at a minimum. And then the other thing we do is we collect anywhere from 5,000 to 7,000 email addresses for free every single month from this Facebook group strategy. If you take away anything from this video, it's that Facebook groups are a gold mine. And if you want to be part of that 5% that collects it, you're gonna have to be willing to put the time and tweaking and, effort into it. But it's an incredibly effective, incredibly great long-term strategy. We have an email list of like 100,000 people now. And a big part of that is because of the work we do in Facebook groups to collect email addresses. So not only are we, making immediate sales from Facebook groups, but we're also building our email list, which is an asset in your business. Instagram platforms can get shut down. Facebook, people can get booted off of Facebook advertising. Things are volatile, but email addresses you always have. So not only is it a great short-term strategy in terms of getting cash, it's also a fantastic long-term strategy because it allows you to build your email list for free or very inexpensively then that's an asset you can use all the time. In my opinion, Facebook groups are like a pot of gold. It blows my mind sometimes. I talk about this with our students. It blows our mind that, because we see so many people who aren't sure of what they're doing in Facebook groups, which is why we teach our students in the Good Client Style program all about this. Because we see people doing all the wrong things in Facebook groups and we want to show them a better way. That's why I'm making this video for my YouTube channel. I just want you to understand the opportunity you're likely missing out on. If you're not making a lot of money from Facebook groups, that's an opportunity you should be moving on. I would be all in on that. So we think, here at Team Maria, we love Facebook groups. We see them as an incredible opportunity to get clients for free. You don't have to pay for advertising. You don't have to pay a team member. You don't have to do, it's in this day and age, the fact that we can go out there and collect, let's just say $60,000 a month from Facebook groups, and that's an opportunity that anybody can have, because mind you, I'm leveraging other people's audience. So you can go in and leverage the same Facebook groups we're leveraging. There's literally nothing keeping you from that. That's the opportunity. That's the great even playing field. We've had students who have tried something for literally, it was 4 months in a row. They were so faithful, they persevered so well, and it took them literally 4 months of trying it and tweaking it and not getting comments and getting all the crickets. And then she went back on and now they collect, I think, 4,000 email addresses per month from it, which turn into paying full clients. We're gonna talk more about that. I have 2 students who added their feedback on it. So there really are a lot of clients out there on Facebook groups if you're willing to put the work in to go grab them. 2 things that I wanted to do. I have 2 additional student tips, right? So I'm gonna pull them up here. They left comments on that lady who posted in the Facebook group, my Get Clients Now Facebook group. They also added their feedback. One student says, chiming in, I've been able to grow my email list from 500 people to 4,000 people in just 3 months, and I'm only posting in 3 groups a week. So she's only posting 3 times a week. And she says, this is because my niche is salons, and if you think it's hard in the female entrepreneur groups, LOL, it's way stricter for me. Again, goes to show that any industry can do this. From these activities, I not only regularly grow my email list, but I also get pay in full dream clients that I'm so excited to work with. I know it's scary, I know it seems spammy or sleazy, but please allow yourself to do it anyways and grow your business. It's way easier than anything else. That's exactly what we talk about. And I was so grateful for her for sharing that. And then another student chimes in and she says, giving you my 2 cents, all my past and current clients have come from Facebook groups. I agree that it can be hard to find the right groups that allow to promo. Again, sometimes it can take 2 to 3 hours to find the groups, but you don't want to be promoting all the time. You also want to be creating genuine relationships, networking, and being helpful. Groups take time. The members take time to get to know you and figure you out, so the more consistent you are, the better. I'm a huge fan of Facebook groups, and they work incredibly well when my copy's on point. Again, that goes to what we were saying earlier, where most times it's not the group that's wrong, it's the copy that's wrong. She says, but I've worked hard to build up the know, like, and trust over time. I hope that helps. And she says, oh, and as a side note, I work with a client and found out she'd been following me in groups for 2 years. Amazing. That happens to us all the time too. Never underestimate the value you put out there and keep showing up. This was so helpful. Both students gave such helpful feedback. Let's note what they talked about. Putting time in, being consistent, having realistic expectations, it not working right away, having to do the copy. But if you're willing to crack those codes, right, crack that nut, persevere, they get all their clients from Facebook groups. I get a vast majority of my clients from Facebook groups. It's just really profitable, and once you figure it out, it's a really easy, simple way to get clients. And the fact is, my students in the Get Clients Now program are landing literally hundreds of clients every single month from Facebook groups. Now, if you don't know what the Get Clients Now program is, it's my signature step-by-step program that shows you everything that you need to know in order to land as many dream clients as you want to. Essentially, what the Get Clients Now program is it's everything that I've learned, everything that I know about building a successful 7-figure business. I got my scripts, my templates, my system, everything that I've done to book clients, frankly, like on demand as I want them. That's what you get in the Get Clients Now program, along with, Zoom meetings, daily office hours. Again, the community aspect of it is incredible. The reason why our students see such great results in the Get Clients Now program is because of all of it. It's not just the 115 hours of video training. It's not just the coaching calls that you can come to. It's not just the daily office hours. It's not just even the opportunities you get from meeting people. It's the whole combination of everything. So if you're in the Get Clients Now program, what's up, party peeps? Good to see you here. And if you're not in the Get Clients Now program, you should check that out. I've got a link in the description below. Highly recommend it. It really does shortcut the process of figuring out how to find clients. So we'd love to have you. We'd love to have you join today. We actually have a limited time payment option we're doing. It's like a pay-as-you-profit payment plan thing that we're testing. So you can actually get started today for literally $49 a week. So if you're interested, if you want me to show you how to get a bunch of clients and make it a lot easier, check the link in the description below. Thank you so much for joining. Get on those Facebook groups. They're a gold mine. They're a pot of gold. Don't sleep on them. And I'll see you in the next video.